Today, we're diving into a recipe that's going to take your taste buds on a roller coaster ride. Baked catfish fillets. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And don't forget, for the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Now, let's get cooking. First things first, let's set the stage by preheating our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, line a baking dish with parchment paper or lightly grease it. We don't want our delicious fish sticking to the pan. That would be a culinary tragedy. Now let's get that marinade going. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon each of paprika, dried thyme, and dried oregano, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you're feeling spicy, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all up until you've got a glorious fragrant paste. Why did the fish get bad grades? Because it was below sea level. Next, let's show some love to our catfish fillets. Pat those beauties dry with paper towels. We don't want any excess moisture here. Place them on the prepared baking dish and brush both sides with the olive oil mixture. Make sure every inch is covered. We want maximum flavor in every bite. Now, it's time to add a zesty twist. Slice up a lemon thinly and arrange those slices on top of and around the catfish fillets. This will infuse our fish with a fresh citrus flavor as it bakes. It's like a mini spa treatment for your catfish. Pop those fillets into the preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Keep an eye on them. Cooking time can vary depending on the thickness of your fillets. You don't want to overcook them. Nobody likes dry fish, right? While the catfish is baking, take a moment to admire your kitchen prowess. You're creating a masterpiece here. Once the timer dings and your catfish fillets are perfectly cooked, take them out of the oven and garnish with some freshly chopped parsley. Not only does it add a pop of color, but it also gives a nice herby finish to our dish. Now for the grand finale serving. Pair these fillets with your favorite sides like steamed or roasted vegetables, rice pilaf, quinoa salad, or even some creamy mashed potatoes. The possibilities are endless and your taste buds will thank you. And there you have it, baked catfish fillets that are flavorful, zesty, and oh so satisfying. Remember, for the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking and remember, the kitchen is your playground.